Hey, good morning, everybody. Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? Just got done with my daily walk. 30, let's call it 35 minutes, full speed. I walked in like an industrial park here. Felt good. My fasciitis, I think, is behind me. Been doing my stretching exercises along with this medication I put on the bottom of my foot every night. I'm freezing, by the way. And it is freezing here. It's 32 degrees. I can barely talk. Anyhow, know this in life. The bad scenarios that you play out in your mind rarely play out in real life. Let me say that again a different way. The worst case scenario when you're in a bad situation, like financially or emotionally or relationally or whatever, the stories you tell yourself in your mind, rarely that's how they play out in real life. In other words, things are never as bad as you think they are, and you normally overplay things like in your mind or over exaggerate things in your mind. As far as cryptos, I'm big on ONDO. The ONDO Finance Summit actually started about an hour and a half ago. That's going to be good. ONDO is I shouldn't say no one. Very few people were talking about ONDO Finance 5, 6, 7, 8 months ago. I think I got into it 6 or 7 months ago. Is it at $1.30 now or something? Anyhow, I think I got it at 72 or 70 cents. Or was that DIA? I forget. Anyhow, I got it way under $1. Anyhow, take a look at the referral link below for the Dabba network. That's going to be coming online end of first quarter. Great passive income opportunity, and I like it. You need to decide for yourself, and that's it. Crypto Mentor 99. Things are never as bad as you think. Love y'all. Bye-bye.